Welcome everyone. In this video, we will talk about almond milk calories. Almond milk is a popular non-dairy alternative to traditional dairy milk, and it is often touted as a healthier option. When it comes to the calorie content of almond milk, there are a few key points to consider. Unsweetened almond milk typically contains around 40 calories per cup, 240 milliliters. This is significantly lower than the calorie content of dairy milk, which can range from 86 calories for skim milk to 146 calories for whole milk. Even sweetened almond milk varieties generally contain fewer calories than dairy milk, with around 80 calories per cup. The low calorie count of almond milk is due to its composition. Almond milk is made by blending almonds with water, resulting in a beverage that is low in carbohydrates and protein compared to dairy milk. Unsweetened almond milk contains around 0.5 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, and 2.5 grams of fat per cup. In contrast, dairy milk is higher in calories, protein, and carbohydrates. A cup of 2% dairy milk contains around 122 calories, 8 grams of protein, and 12 grams of carbohydrates. This difference in macronutrient profile makes almond milk an attractive option for individuals looking to reduce their calorie or carbohydrate intake, such as those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. However, it's important to note that the nutritional content of almond milk can vary significantly depending on the brand and whether it is sweetened or unsweetened. Some store-bought almond milk varieties may contain added sugars, thickeners, or other ingredients that can increase the calorie and carbohydrate content. Therefore, it's always best to read the nutrition labels and choose an unsweetened, minimally processed almond milk to get the full health benefits. Additionally, while almond milk is low in calories, it is also lower in some essential nutrients compared to dairy milk, such as protein, calcium, and vitamin D. For individuals who are trying to meet their daily nutrient needs, supplementing almond milk with other calcium-rich foods or taking a calcium supplement may be necessary. In conclusion, the calorie content of almond milk is generally much lower than that of dairy milk, making it a viable option for those looking to reduce their caloric intake. However, it's important to choose unsweetened varieties and be mindful of the overall nutritional profile to ensure a balanced and healthy diet. For more information, please go to the description. There is a lot of important information for you. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.